How's it going, guys? It's me, T, and welcome. In this video we're making some stuffed chicken breasts and some couscous with white wine. So, without further ado, grab your forks, grab your knives, and let's go. Okay, so for our stuffed chicken we're going to need chicken breasts, dried tomatoes, some spreadable cheese, and some salt and spices. Let's begin by cutting our cheese in thin slices. Now I'm going to cut our chicken breasts, but please be careful when cutting, especially like me, because you might cut yourself. Okay, so meat is cut, now we're going to tenderize it. You can use whatever you want, we're going to use some rolling pin and some glass cap. Now let's season our chicken. We're going to use some salt, some dried onion, dried garlic, some dried paprika, and some herbal mix. After that we're going to put sun-dried tomatoes and cheese inside the chicken, and we're going to roll everything nicely. Okay, so this step is not completely necessary, but we're going to use some wooden skewers and we're going to secure the chicken so nothing will fall out of it. Stuffed chicken is ready, so we're going to throw it onto the pan and we're going to fry it on both sides. After that we're going to take our skewers out and complete frying it on the other two sides. Okay, so we are almost over with our chicken breasts. I'm going to lower the heat and add just a little bit of water and let them boil for a couple of minutes. Our stuffed chicken breasts are done, and now we're going to focus on our couscous. We're going to start by heating our pan with just a little bit of olive oil, and once it's nice and hot, I'm going to throw diced red onion inside and start frying it. After a couple of minutes, I'm going to add some diced dried tomatoes. And some mushrooms as well, and I'm going to fry everything together. Our veggies are done, and now I'm going to add 150 milliliters of dry white wine, and I'm going to reduce it by 80 to 90%. After our white wine is reduced, I'm going to add a handful of shredded mozzarella, and I'm going to let it melt until nice and thick consistency. And lastly, I'm going to throw our couscous inside, and I'm going to mix everything together.